Hi guys, and welcome to Fxmarketstrategy. We're just taking a look at the euro dollar analysis, and just guys, I put one sell signal in the community tab, and it'll give like 30 pips stop loss, so the price now is exceeding the stop loss. Okay, you get some comments, people like freaking out, it's hit stop loss, or it's what's gonna happen. So that's why you get also some people who said, oh, it's better you follow someone who know what he's doing. So if you look at the weekly forecast, we said for USD CAD it's gonna come from 1.41 to 1.35, and that's for the last 3 weeks. So it dropped 600 bips. You never heard him saying anything, and you get for the euro dollar going 30 bips. You say, oh, it's better to listen to someone who's know what he's doing. So this what the kind of stuff you get sometimes, but on the other side, to be honest with you guys, on the other side, you get really nice, kind people. The service we offer is in the education stuff, and we discuss the market. We put in the channel, this is all educational. Your money, I don't know if you trade in a demo account or a live account, what risk you take, it's all your stuff, So you guys trade wisely and make your homework, okay? Then you get a lot of nice people and kind people also. So we put this analysis last week here. SPX flying to 3,500, 100%. So this is the probability of success and reaching this trade. Okay, this is the probability of reaching this target. We give it the probability of 3,500. Okay, and you can see first the analysis. If we click on this button, it's gonna show. Okay, like this, So you can see the price did reach really nice. So down here, you're gonna get a question here. Do you think there will be a correction at that price? I said, hope you're doing good. I really don't think so. It may do it at a higher price, like let's say 3,310. You get the result. Wow, thanks. But I think that price is strong resistance line, so I booked my profit. I can't wait. You're awesome. Then you get you are very, very accurate. Okay. So you get stuff like this. I'm gonna show you guys one more example. So guys, here is the DAX, another example. Target 13,200. Don't sell, only buy. Look at this. Bang. So from here exactly it is like zero drawdown, 11,100 to immediately 12,400. So 1,400 points in DAX. That's tons and tons of money, guys. Tons and tons of money. Okay. So you can get this. Okay. I'm going to show you another example, guys. I get some comment. Be careful, second wave of crash. So that's some people were thinking it's gonna crash. I think DAX must touch 10,050 first, and that was May 27. I said only buy, bro. The ECB is on mode for machine money printing, so non-stop, only buy. So you can see the strengths of the fundamental analysis right here. Okay guys, that's another example of the USD CAD, which we have been saying sell only from the top here. Take every sell and avoid every buy. So I'm gonna show you guys. So just it pisses you off when you get someone gives you a really, really mean comment. You say it's better to know, don't start listening to everyone for 30 bips. And look at this one. Isn't that amazing, guys? It's like fantastic. Like, look, it did touch the top right here. It did come right to the bottom. This system works. Okay, guys, this style of analysis, I actually developed it myself. This kind of analysis, this curvature, all that stuff, this is done in a certain way. So there is no such indicator or, people educating this way. So this, I invented this style. So anyway, you can see it did touch right here, and it did come here. It's like bang. It's like perfect. On timing also, look at the timing. See that the timing is going beautiful with it. So how much is this? This is from 1.4 to 1.3, 480. That's 520 bips fall. Okay guys, that's another example. That's the Dow. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Unbelievable. And giving you the timing, and see this curve, it did work again, guys. See that? See this curve right here? The price did come to reach this curve, and it did bounce. You see it, right before that curve was drawn before the price reached here, and did come to touch it, and did bounce to make a correction halfway right here, start going back up. It did break this 25,900, and at the top of it The Dow Jones has gone from now 31,000. Okay, it's still 5,000 more to go up. Okay guys, that's another example. Euro Australian dollar sell. You can look at this one. Bang. Okay guys, you tell me if this works or doesn't work. See this? It did come right from right here. It did touch the end of the channel of the curve. Then it's like you get a big correction. How much is this? From let's say from 1.67 to 1.61 to the lower band of the channel right here. So it's beautiful. So that's 600 pips fall. Okay guys, that's another one. The previous buy of the euro dollar. Okay, look at this one. Previous buy. Bang. It did hit the price. It did even go another 150 pips above it. That's a lot of money. Okay, we're expecting a little tiny drop here. It didn't come. It just bounced from here. But the sell says you only buy only, don't sell. Okay, so if you want to take buy early, it's okay. If you want to take from a lower, so don't sell anymore. Don't sell it. Okay. Okay, that's another one. USD CAD. We just talked about it. That's May 4th. That's another wave, guys. See, yeah, it did go up a little tiny bit, but it did come to very close to the level. Okay, later on it did crash so bad. That's USD ZAR from 18.5 right here. Okay, it did come a little tiny bit, go up, but see later on what happened? It's like bang. See the analysis? So if someone who's really know the market and he has a sell here, it fluctuates a little bit, he's gonna be in there and he's gonna be going to take really good profit. Did it end here? No, it did crash further down. So like, see this? Unbelievable. See guys? See where the signal was given? Like here, 18.5. And actually in the YouTube channel community tab, I put it selling 18.8. You can guys check it out. It did come 16.8. That's over like 1,900 points down here in USD ZAR. That was fantastic trade. Okay, so that's also the buy of the US 30 right here. Okay, it did go up a little tiny bit here to this level. Then it did make a correction, and that was the last one. After that, it did crash. It did fly up so bad. Okay, that was beautiful also. Okay, guys, this is the last chart we're gonna look at. It just gets you a little bit upset when you put so much free stuff and free material, and people are free to do whatever they want. That was the oil, and you get someone is telling you really mean stuff. Look at this. It's like, come on. If you can see the future, you will not be able to put this, come on. That was pure luck to get it exactly like this. I can't blame. I would know. And also, like by US oil target 27, it did actually reach 27 exactly. It make a correction. And then later on, we put another chart. Actually, did rise with it, but that was perfect. It's going with the line to the exact level going. That's why I get some really nice comment here. 1,100 points reached. Congratulations. You get some nice people saying, a nice trade, bro. Wow. I said, thanks. That was pure luck to go exactly with the line, but price was expected. Ranging at 27 was expected. Anyway, now road open to 40, bro. Now the price is 39, guys. Okay, it did reach 39. So the forecast, okay, from 33 now, free money. Free now. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, guys. So sorry about this. I just had to put it because some people keep they don't understand the market or just coming to talk nonsense. That's why I had to answer this. Okay, you guys need to have a big picture, a big view. You need this to be really good. Look at this channel, right? Okay, look, the prices keep ranging here and there. It comes sometimes to 50%. Okay, so if you take this one here and you make a copy and you take this one and you put it halfway right here, okay, that's gonna give you the expected possible halfway price. Okay, guys. Okay, you can see many times it would bounce from here a little bit higher at bounce, but you can see the price is ranging, right? Euro dollar is ranging. So let's see what happened here. So every time it does come down here, it bounce back. So you expect, that's why we give the euro dollar buy last time from here, because we're expecting an up move. The up move could be to this level, or it can make it to the up level. And this up level is, look guys, if this one was respected here, was respected here, was respected there. I don't know if zooming in, was respected there, okay? Then was respected again here. Then later on, it was respected once here at the coronavirus time. Now it should be respected again. I don't think it's gonna break it. Okay, we still have some trend line here, but I don't think this is gonna break to the upside. Even if it does break and you start selling here, you have a really good risk to reward ratio, price range. So you have to look at this way, and you only invest 1 to 2% of your account, and you have other trades, so you don't put everything at the same time. But possibly the euro index the euro dollar is gonna bounce from here. Even in this chart has been bought yesterday in the trading view account, okay, and it does have this. It does have that's a chance to still go up a little bit. Actually, I put this one a chance to go up to here or there, because this will depend in the dollar index. What does this mean? You guys, this black line is the dollar index. Okay, the dollar index continue to coming down. That's why the euro dollar is going up. So we're waiting for the dollar index to reverse. If it does happen and the dollar index reach 95, then the price is gonna reach up here or even there. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. But if the dollar index will reverse from this area, and the dollar index may have another wave down, but don't sell dollar index. We're gonna start only buying either from here or from a lower price. So once the dollar index starts to reverse, the euro dollar is gonna crash like crazy. And the dollar index also has been going in the opposite curve of this one. Okay, guys, has been going in the opposite of this one, because euro dollar and dollar index are opposite. So this how you have a look, a bigger picture to the market, a bigger picture. That's what you need to have a bigger picture. Okay. So that's in the daily time frame. What we can see, the euro dollar is gonna come down either from this level right here, or that one, or this one, or that one. Can it reach 1.15? It's unlikely, unless the euro dollar index is gonna crash to 94. So if the dollar index crashed 94, I would say yes, euro dollar will reach 1.15. But I'm not interested in this buying of euro dollar at all. I will be only selling from here, and after 100 bips if it does rise, and if it does rise again, I will sell again at 200 bips. Okay, so each one, there are so many trading ways and trading methodology, guys. So it depends on which one you want to follow, how your lot size, everything. Unfortunately, the brokers teach you guys wrong to trade, so they want to make a lot of profit from you. So that's why they want you to do scalping, big lot size, so you can actually make big commission for the brokers. So people don't take it as investment, they take it as gambling game. Okay, so you can see this in the 4-hour time frame. It did reach this level, it did bounce right here. When we put the chart, we were expecting one more push down. It did bounce from here. You can see it's going back up all the way at that level, only selling from here or from this trend line area, but no buy at all. This is dollar index is not gonna crash probably to 90 and stuff like this. This would be crazy, nothing is never, but it's unlikely to happen, very, very unlikely to happen. Okay, so we'd expect the dollar index either to bounce from here or from a little bit lower level. That means the euro dollar is gonna bounce either from here, and we also put we put the three choices, the three options, that either bounce from here or come to this level, which is at this right now, or even go a little bit higher. All three scenarios are still possible, so giving you a full idea. Okay, guys, so I wanted just to share with you guys the euro dollar analysis, and I hope this was in benefit for you. And please, what we share is just educational purpose. If it does agree with your thought and your mind, go ahead with it, because it's your money and your risk, and you guys work hard for this money. So if you do good, really, I will be happy for you guys. If someone doesn't work out for him, I will be upset, and I wish you guys best luck to next time will be in good profit. But this is a market and it has risk, so if you can play the game, it's better to avoid. If you can't afford losing some money, please don't trade it. Don't borrow money to go trade. Don't take too much risk you can afford. This market is so risky. This market, very little people who make good money. It's very, very difficult. So please, if you don't know how to play the game, if you don't want to have education, this market, you're not gonna find someone who's gonna baby spoon you and they give you everything really easy. You have to do some work. You have to work hard. You have to be emotional control. You have to do risk management. You have to start learning correlation between. You have to be within a good group. There's a lot of things probably over long term you're gonna know that you need that stuff for sure. Okay, and one candle, if it makes you all lose your money, or one trade it makes you all lose your money, then you're probably gambling, but not in Las Vegas, you're gambling in MT4. So please don't do that, don't do that, okay? Don't let 20 bips, 30 bips freak you out or stuff like this. Go for longer term. This is gonna come down. Just like I told you guys, the USD CAD is gonna come down, and I've showed you many charts that the trades or analysis is right on. It doesn't mean everything we do is perfect. Sometimes you go wrong. That's fine. Overall, all what you have to do is be in profit long term, okay? And don't look at your trades and accounts as every one trade is by itself. Look at the basket. So if you have 5 trades, 4 of them went to good, 1 bad, just close all of them at the same time and move on, and like that. Okay guys, thank you for sorry for taking so long, and thank you for listening and watching. We're gonna be looking to sell the euro dollar either from here or from there. This is educational. Please do your homework. This is my only thought. I could be wrong, sometimes right. So this is no guarantee in this market. No one knows the future. We're just doing our best to give honest advice. If this works for you, by all means, you're most welcome. If it doesn't work for you, then please, keep doing your homework and listen to different opinions till you develop your own strategy and your own thinking. And best luck for all of you guys. Best luck and have a wonderful day.